Now, wouldn't it be fantastic if you could take a battery, a power bank, like this one here, this is a 20,000 milliamp hour one, and use it for wireless charging? It would be nice, wouldn't it? Well, I wonder what that is there. I think someone's already done it. So we'll find out whether this Charmast battery power bank with wireless charging, let's find out if it's any good, if it's worth the money, shall we? Let's find out together. And g'day, today we're having a look at this. It's a Charmast 20,000 milliamp power bank, and it's a model C2023W. There's not much to look on the box, and I've already opened it, and this is what is actually in the box. You've got a manual, USB cable, a USB-A to USB-C. We've got the power bank itself, and it comes with a nice little carry case. So first thing we'll do is we'll have a quick look at this manual. I'm going to put the power bank on to charge, and we'll come back when it's fully charged and we'll have a good look at it. Now we're connected to the charger, and as you can see we've got an in charge happening right this moment. That's using a slow charger. We'll disconnect that and we'll pop in a fast charger. And it accepts the fast charge. You can see the word fast has now appeared. So it accepts both fast and slow charging. That's absolutely brilliant. I like that idea. I've still got the fast charger connected. I thought I'd see what happens if I put my phone over the top. And it charges, so we can charge the battery with my fast charger and charge my phone at the same time. The power bank is now at 100% fully charged. We'll pop my mobile phone over the top, and you can see the phone is now being charged, and on the top it's showing power is going out. It's using fast charge and it's using wireless. So this thing works beautifully. The power bank battery capacity is 2000 milliamps or 74 watt hours. The battery that's actually inside here is a high density lithium polymer battery. We have two input plugs. We have the micro USB at 5 volts, 2 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 12 volts, 1.5 amps. The USB Type-C is 5 volts at 2.6 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, and 12 volts at 1.5 amps. Now the output for the USB Type-C is 5 to 6 volts at 3 amps, 6 to 9 volts at 2.22 amps, 9 to 12 volts at 1.67 amps. We have 3 USB Type A plugs on the end here. 1 and 2 are at 5 volts, 2.4 amps. USB 3, which is this orange one, is 5 volts, 4.5 amps. 9 volts at 2 amps. 12 volts at 1.5 amps. The wireless charging on the bottom here, or the top, or whichever you want to call it, QI wireless charging is 5 watts, 7.5 watts, 10 watts and 15 watts. The overall weight of the unit is 381 grams according to the manual, or 13.44 ounces. And look at this, we've got the power bank charging my M1 Mac. So that makes this a very, very versatile power bank indeed, and I'm quite happy that I purchased it. Now hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Consider giving me a thumbs up, thumbs down, either way doesn't matter. You know, leave a comment. Perhaps you've got one of these yourself, or a different brand completely, and you think it's better than this particular one I've got here. By all means, leave a comment. I'd appreciate that. And hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the best till then. Bye for now.